Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today I'll be talking about how to, subscribe to IDD bundles on Telecel. So you'll be asking what's IDD bundle. So maybe you have a friend or a family abroad and you are thinking of, calling them. Calling them is quite expensive when you are using normal airtime. And this is where the IDD bundles comes in. Yeah, so it will help you to, talk with your relatives or, whatever abroad without, at an affordable rate without you spending much. Yeah. So if that's your problem, then here is the solution. So open your dialer and dial the USSD code *150#. So dial this code, yeah, and select IDD packages 1. So depending on the country that your relative is from or your friend is from, we have the one US and Canada. Select the one that you want. Okay. So if the person is in Africa, you just have to select Africa. Maybe the person is in Africa. Let me select one, US and Canada. Yes, realizing here was that I'll be getting 2 CDs for 30 minutes to call US and Canadian numbers. American and Canadian numbers. That's very wonderful. And 5 CD for 80 minutes to call American and Canadian numbers. 10 CD for 170 minutes. Though, so this is how what this is what the IDD bundle does. It provides a solution for you to talk with your relatives. Yeah. So select the one that you want. After you're done with that, just continue. Select one to continue. Select your mode of payment, whether you'll be paying via airtime or Telecel cash. Select your mode of payment. Yeah, so after you are done with your payment, that's it. You successfully activated, or subscribed to IDD package of a particular continent or country. Yeah. So talk ciao with your loved one. So if you love this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, give a sweet comment, and also share this video to your loved ones. And see you in the next video.